Dear students, here in the last video we have learned about the background of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Massacre means excessive killing of many people, and in it we have learned Amritsar. It was the main center of the movement, and the government started the spate of suppression. Gandhiji was prohibited from entering the province of Punjab, and General Dyer he issued order of ban on public meeting. Now we will go ahead. As a protest against this, on 13th April 1919, on the day of Baisakhi, the people of Amritsar assembled at a place named Jallianwala Bagh. Jallianwala Bagh, it's a name of place. It is in Amritsar in Punjab state, and the people on the occasion of Baisakhi day they assembled there. And General Dyer, he was a British officer. General Dyer, he arrived with his army, with the armed force. The people they were gathered, they were assembled on the day of Baisakhi. This General Dyer he arrived at this place with his army, and this Jallianwala Bagh place, it was enclosed from all sides and had only one small gate. This place was enclosed from all sides, and there were only a one small gate to enter and to exit. General Dyer, what he did? He positioned his army and closed down the only gate. This General Dyer, a British officer, he gave an order to his army to close the only gate which was there to enter and exit. This gate was closed, and without giving any prior notification to the disarmed innocent people, he ordered his soldiers to fire. It was a very cruel thing by the Britishers, by the officer General Dyer. He closed the only gate, and without giving any further notification to the people, disarmed innocent people, he ordered his soldiers to fire, and there were 1660 rounds had been fired. The army continued firing until the ammunition was over. Ammunition means the chemicals or the material which were used to fire in the gun, that is ammunition. Ammunition was over means all till, in the simple we can say, the bullets, till the bullet finish. Until the bullets finish, there were 1616 rounds. And in this massacre, in this excessive killing, near about 400 people, including men and women, were killed. In this massacre, in this excessive killing, 400 people they lost their life. Many of the people were wounded. And after firing, curfew was announced by the British government, and hence immediate treatment to the injured could not be made available. In entire Punjab military, law was enforced and many were sent to jail by the government. It was very cruel, or we can say against the humanity. Just in a one place only 400 people were died because of the curfew which was announced by the Britishers. The injured or wounded people could not get a treatment, and the entire Punjab military law was enforced, and many of the peoples were sent to jail by the British government. So it is about the massacre of Amritsar or Jallianwala Bagh. General Michael O'Dwyer, governor of Punjab, was responsible for this massacre all over India. There was protest against this act. As a protest against this massacre, Rabindranath Tagore gave away the title of Sir bestowed on him by the British government. Later, Indians demanded for inquiry of this massacre. Hence, the British government appointed the Hunter Commission. Students, here this General Michael O'Dwyer, the governor of Punjab, he was responsible for this massacre, for this excessive killing. And after this massacre, all over India there were protests against the all over India. The people was against this massacre, and they Indians demanded for inquiry of this massacre. And because of this massacre, Rabindranath Tagore, they gave away the title of Sir. Title of Sir was bestowed or offered, or we can say in honor. The title of Sir was given by the Britishers to the Rabindranath Tagore, and Rabindranath Tagore gave away the title because of the excessive killing, because of the massacre. Later, Indians also demanded for the inquiry of this massacre, and for this inquiry, British government appointed the Hunter Commission. Means Hunter Commission was appointed by the British government for the inquiry of the massacre which was held in the year 1919 at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar. And to show the protest, for that Rabindranath Tagore gave away the title of Sir, which was bestowed by the British government. And in this, for all these incidents, General Michael O'Dwyer, he was responsible for that.